Okay, according to the switch, unlock should be pushed towards the door, and lock should be pushed away from the door. And there's nothing, and there's nothing. But if I take something and tap on it a little bit, okay, the switch is backwards. Okay, and you hear it. Lock, unlock. And nothing. But if I take and tap on it again, it will unlock. I'm going to reach down in here again and make sure the connection's tight, and it is. And tap on it again. Alright, my diagnosis is that it needs a door lock actuator. Actually, it needs a set of door lock actuators. Alright. And it's quit working again. It should work from the driver's side switch also. And nothing. It worked a while ago. Okay, before it was not unlocking with the key, it was hanging. And okay. So I can unlock it with a key, if nothing else. That's the main thing. Okay, so I think it might need a set of actuators. So my switches are good, and all my wiring is good. You can see by all the tape that's missing. Oops, get the zoom out. That what it needs is just a set of actuators. I will retape all of this mess back up. Oh yeah. It's one thing I hate, wiring harnesses, because I usually wind up getting scraped, cut, fingers smashed, something. YouTube user, Bugsick26. I don't know if I pronounced that right or not, but it's spelled BUGSYC26, was asking in a comment he was wanting to know. He commented on, the user had commented on my video, the Bronco harmonic balancer installation. I don't know which part it was. Remember, I just saw the comment and I hadn't had a chance to answer back because I haven't found what I'm looking for. Anyway, the user was asking about the part number of the Woodruff keys that I had used. I have the invoice somewhere. I haven't found it yet, and it will give me the part number. They are Dorman parts, I know that. I remember the part number had a prefix, DOR dash something, but I can't remember the rest of it. And I will probably try to look online later and see if I can get an actual part number. Alright, the wire is taped up. It's kind of warm today. I guess it was probably 78, 79 degrees. Somewhere along in there. Really warm. Oh yeah, this makes both vehicles. Both F-150s, both the blue one and this one that has power lock issues. It's working now. Okay, both of them have an actuator that only works on one side, the passenger. Well, it's not too bad. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the door panel on. Oh yeah, I have the clips that holds the door panel on, but I am not going to use them right now. One pack of clips for door panels. And the reason why that I'm not going to use them right away is because I still have to order the weather stripping, and I'm going to install a new set of speakers in the door. And I just don't want to waste the clips rather than I don't want to waste them by installing them, then turn around and ripping them apart. So I'll just go ahead and install it all in one go. So I'm just fitting the door panels on loosely. Oh, I know what the rattling is. I was trying to figure out what that was, but that was the keys on the door. Well, they don't work now. Well, now they're going to work. Close enough, I guess. Once again. Well, I know what the problem is. And I'll probably order actuators for it. I don't know what this is. Okay. I wanted to make sure that I installed the switch correctly. And it just snaps in. I don't know why Ford had to be that way. See, right here in the 80s, the 80 to 86, the door lock switch is in a convenient spot. Unlike 87 to 91, which was down at the bottom of the door panel, which I thought was stupid. Well, I got the door panel back on. That's about all I can do to it for now. See, this weather stripping I'm getting ready to order. Well, I've been intending to order it forever. I need to really get on the ball with that. Also, I need to get the new floor ordered for it too. Projects. My tailgate cables are going along real well. Oh yeah, plastic banding. One of the workers wrapped this around the truck driver's car at work, and I got the blame for it. Well, he did do a few practical jokes with me that morning, but I did get him back. I did get him back. I blew sawdust all over him. Try this again. Works. Well, now I've at least figured out what the problem is. Tomorrow's Friday. TGIF. Let's see which random crap that gets put away. I don't think there's anything. Oh yeah, the buzzer. Okay, that's about it. Thanks for watching.